It'll save time, it'll save money, it'll really stretch you into categories and brands and things you've never used before.
Yeah.
And really, it'll make you probably double or even triple what you've done in Q4s in the past. I would say.
Listen, that's awesome. Meet Bonnie Graham. She's one of our clients. She's been a member of Cheddar Black for a couple of years. And later in this interview, she shares why she believes that Cheddar Black can double or triple what you've done in the past trying to do Q4 on your own without having us give you the proper inventory opportunities. So don't take our word for it. We've done these interviews with some of our best clients. We want you to hear from them because success leaves clues. And if Bonnie can do it, you can do it. So without further ado, here's Taylor Dunn, and Bonnie, please listen to this entire 10-minute interview. I think you'll enjoy it.
Welcome, everyone. I am here with Bonnie Graham. Bonnie has been a member of Cheddar Black for the last couple of years. She's been a dedicated member of OA Cheddar. Bonnie, how are you doing today?
Doing great. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. So Bonnie, I just have a few questions I would like to ask you just to gather some of your insights or past experiences with Cheddar Black. I'm going to ask the question. Feel free just to answer it. If you don't feel comfortable at all to, please feel free to be like, hey, can we pass that question? I don't think there's anything here though that is, I'm not asking you what your store name is or anything like that. That would be, that'd be bad. But first off, let me just ask you, how many years have you been a member of Cheddar Black?
2 years. This will be my third year.
2 years going into your third year. Fantastic. What was your favorite part of the Cheddar Black program in years past?
Well, part of my favorite thing about being on Cheddar Black was the fact that it was on a platform where I could easily manipulate all my data and search things and, run reports and just do stuff with the leads that were provided. I really liked that. And there were lots of bells and whistles and also it put me in categories and brands and even sources that I've never used before. So that was great too.
And you're talking about source flow. When you're talking about like the program, that's something that our leads are delivered into source flow, and those of Cheddar Black in Cheddar Black can access that data and manipulate it and search those results. How valuable is it for you to have a team of lead gens sending you pre-vetted product leads throughout Q4?
Oh, it's amazing because Q4 is so busy. Out there doing a lot of RA. So it's good to have, my VA and I have an approach that we use when we use Cheddar. So, that way we can handle that part and also be out doing RA and shipping and all the things that happen in Q4.
Yeah, big time saver, it sounds like. Do you buy directly off the list or do you rabbit trail from the list?
The first year that I had it, we did all rabbit trail. I did not buy directly off of the list. This last Q4, we took a different approach, and I would go on the list and I would determine whether or not to buy directly from that lead. And then my VA would do all the rabbit trailing, to produce more leads. It was really eye-opening because I purchased things I've never purchased before, like games and, DVD, like whatever, categories I've never been in before. And it all worked out really well. So I've done it both ways.
If you had to guess, how much time do you believe Cheddar Black saves you during Q4?
I would say it saves me, for me, it probably saves me at least 3 hours a day, I would say. And, my VA also, because instead of doing searches from scratch, he just, rabbit trails from the leads that are already provided. So combined, it probably saves us 6 hours a day.
What would you say to someone who is new to OA Cheddar and on the fence about joining Cheddar Black?
To me, I've tried many lead list services out there, and I have found that the leads that you guys provide are really top notch. You deliver what you say you're going to deliver, and usually even over and above that at times. And I would tell people, I trust you guys, and trust is a big thing. So I would say to them, that cheddar can be trusted. And it'll save time, it'll save money, it'll really stretch you into categories and brands and things you've never used before. And really, it'll make you probably double or even triple what you've done in Q4s in the past. I would say.
Bonnie, is there anything else that you would want to tell anybody maybe watching this video about Cheddar Black or OA Cheddar before we go ahead and wrap it up?
After the first year, I have never questioned my decision about, am I going to do Cheddar Black or not this year? It's always, okay, I am going to do it, so let's make it happen. And the software too, the platform that it's on, saves me a tremendous amount of time with my purchases and receiving and all that. So that's a benefit too.
Yeah. Well, awesome. Well, Bonnie, hey, thank you so much.
Hey, I want to thank you for watching this interview. We've got some more good interviews to come. Make sure you are subscribed to cheddarblack.com to be on the hot list, to be notified when the program releases, and also to be notified of future interviews. We've got a couple other really good ones that are coming down the pipe for you. So for now, make sure you subscribe. Cheddar Black will be releasing in just a couple of short weeks here, right around the come back to school period, and we are excited for what we have in store for you. So thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. We'll see you on the next video.